Fan filter replacement. For replacing the fan filter, there are 3 screws on this side of the fan and 3 screws on the other side as well. After we carefully remove each of the 6 screws holding the housing together, we can gently take off the outer filter cover and the internal fan filter, and then we can replace the old unit with a brand new one. Once you have successfully removed the old filter, take this piece off, carefully install a new one in its place, take the dirty one off, put a fresh new one on, and then finally begin the process of screwing everything back into its original place. All right, once we have finished reinstalling all 6 of those screws and ensured they are tight, that is the entire process completed. Tighten the screws.